Hi, I'm Amanda. I am the integrative dietitian at the M Clinic, and I am here with Cindy from Core Health Thermography. And I am super excited to talk about our upcoming workshop. It's called the Knowledge Gap Workshop, and it's about how to live healthy in a toxic world.
Yes, we are looking forward to having you come in, and we're going to be talking about all of the different ways in which that you can be exposed to toxins. Now, everyone pretty much knows that there are a lot of toxins in our environment, but there are some hidden toxins that you may not know about. So we'll be talking about how to understand where your exposure is coming from and how to protect yourself. So we want to share with you ways in which that you can optimize your life and have more energy, more abundance, and we're looking forward to having you here with us that day. So Amanda?
Yeah, so this workshop, we're hoping that it'll really empower you. We're not looking to scare anyone, but we really want everyone to walk out of here with lots of skills and knowledge and just the motivation to be able to live, like Cindy said, a very healthy life in our toxic world. And if you have any more questions about the workshop, please feel free to give us a call at the M Clinic, and we look forward to seeing you there.